SpecialTV Journal. News report about the dismantling and demolition of the last section of the old Southern Ring Road in Groningen, the Netherlands. On Monday afternoon, August 5, 2024, a significant event took place in the city of Groningen, the Netherlands. The iconic overpass of the Southern Ring Road, which had been a recognizable part of the cityscape for 53 years, was permanently removed. This marked the end of an era for the residents of Groningen, who had been accustomed to the imposing structure that ran through the neighborhoods of Oosterpoort and Helpman for many years. In the weeks leading up to this demolition, significant portions of the Ring Road, which were put into use in 1971, had already been dismantled. The demolition of the last segment, which ran over the railway, was a crucial step in the larger project of redesigning the Southern Ring Road. This phase was carefully planned, as it was necessary to temporarily suspend the train connection between Groningen Central Station and Europa Park Station. This made it possible to safely dismantle the beams. The demolition operation itself was a spectacle, with many spectators. After the beams were carefully cut loose, lifting cables and chains were passed under the heavy structures. This was a crucial step before the lifting could begin. For this task, a mobile crane from Wagenborg Netlift Groningen, the Netherlands, was deployed, a Liebherr crane with a lifting capacity of 700 tons. The beams, each weighing approximately 60 tons, were lifted and lowered with precision. As soon as the beams were safely on the ground, the process of further demolition began. The large pieces were quickly broken down into smaller parts so that they could be easily transported. This was an important step in the process, as the space needed to be cleared for the next phase of the work. After the removal of the last beams and the supporting pillars, work on the railway infrastructure continued immediately. Cables were laid along the track in U-beams, intended for the new bicycle and pedestrian tunnel that will be constructed under the railway. This is an important improvement for the accessibility and safety of the area. In addition, the company Structon was busy replacing the overhead lines, which is essential for future train connections.
SpecialTV Journal.